On June 3, 2026, Google did something the SEO world has been waiting 2 years for. They added a dedicated AI performance report to Search Console. Impressions inside AI overviews. Impressions inside AI mode. Impressions inside Discover. The category just got a Google-sanctioned scoreboard. That settles a 2-year argument. AI visibility is now a first-class metric. But here's the part Google did not put in the press release. The report only sees Google. It only counts impressions, and it only shows your own pages. That is a partial map of a much bigger territory. Stick with me for the next 6 minutes. I will show you exactly what shipped, the 3 blind spots it leaves wide open, and how to fill them before your competitors do. Okay, here is what Google actually built. The new report breaks AI visibility out of the main performance view and gives it its own dedicated tab. 5 things you can see. 1. Impressions. How often your URLs appear in generative features. 2. Pages. Which of your URLs appeared? 3. Countries. Your visibility on a country-by-country basis. 4. Devices. The devices people used when your site showed up. 5. Dates. Performance over time with hourly, daily, weekly, and monthly granularity. It covers AI overviews and AI mode on search, plus generative features in Discover. And Google is rolling it out to a subset of websites first, so if you do not see it yet, that is why. Now here's why this is a bigger deal than it looks. When the largest search engine on Earth builds a dedicated report for AI visibility, the category stops being speculative. SEO and generative engine optimization are not 2 separate disciplines anymore. They are one motion with 2 scoreboards, and Google just put both scoreboards in the same dashboard. So take the win. Then look at what the report cannot tell you. Because if your job is to be findable in AI, Google is one of 6 places that matter. The other 5 never show up in Search Console. Ever. That is the gap I want to walk through next. 3 blind spots. Numbered. Quick. Blind spot 1. It only sees Google. Search Console reports on AI overviews, AI mode, and Discover. Every one of those is a Google surface. But look at the rest of the landscape. ChatGPT hit 900 million weekly active users in February 2026. That is up from 400 million a year earlier. Add Perplexity, Claude, Copilot, and the standalone Gemini app, and you are looking at hundreds of millions more conversations on top of that. When a buyer asks ChatGPT, "What is the best tool for X?" and a competitor gets named instead of you, that happens entirely outside Google. Search Console will never show it. As far as your Google reports are concerned, that lost deal did not happen. Blind spot 2. It counts impressions, not the answer. An impression means your link appeared in an AI feature. It does not tell you what the AI said. You can earn an impression as source number 4 while the AI spends its paragraph praising a competitor. The report counts that as visibility. Your pipeline does not. Blind spot 3. It only shows your own pages. In most categories we monitor at AI Sightline, the majority of AI citations point to third-party sites. Review platforms, Reddit threads, YouTube videos, directories the model already trusts. The answer about your category is being built mostly from sources you do not own and cannot see in Search Console, and one quieter gap nobody is naming. Impressions are not clicks. AI answers resolve the question on the spot. An impression in an AI overview may never become a visit. So how do you fix it? Use Search Console for the Google slice. It is real data, it is free. Turn it on if you have it. Then use a dedicated AI visibility platform for everything Google cannot show you. AI Sightline monitors all 6 AI platforms in one view. For every prompt you track, we show the citation leaderboard. Who got cited, how often, on which platforms. And we surface the competitor gaps view that ranks every prompt where you are losing. names the competitor beating you, and explains why. Search Console gives you impressions. AI Sightline gives you a ranked action list. There are only 3 ways to win a spot in an AI answer: earn it on your own pages, earn it off-page, or buy it with a ChatGPT ad campaign. We also score topic authority by cluster, so you know whether the engines see you as a specialist or a generalist. And we track real AI referral visits, not just impressions, because appearances are not traffic. For builders, there is an MCP server with 30+ tools and a full REST API on every tier. Keys in your settings page, not a sales call. Run a free scan at aisightline.com. No credit card. 6 platforms in a few minutes. Then compare it to what Search Console shows you and decide for yourself how much of the picture you were missing. Google just showed you 1 platform. The other 5 are still dark. Light them up.